Hello everyone, welcome to today's JavaScript tutorial. In this lesson, we'll explore a simple but useful program to convert a number into an array of its digits. This concept can be applied in various scenarios, such as analyzing the digits of a number or performing operations on individual digits. Let's dive in and see how we can achieve this in JavaScript. The goal of this program is to take a number like 12,345 and transform it into an array containing its digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This requires us to break the number into its individual digits. A key challenge is handling negative numbers correctly, ensuring that the sign doesn't affect the digit extraction. We'll use JavaScript methods like mathAbs, the spread operator, and the map method to achieve this efficiently. Here's the code for our program. We use mathAbs in to ensure the number is positive, ignoring the sign. Next, we convert the number into a string using template literals such as $in. The spread operator is used to split the string into individual characters, creating an array. Let's break this process into steps. First, we ensure the number is positive using mathAbs. This allows us to handle negative numbers without issues. We then convert the number to a string so we can manipulate its digits individually. The spread operator splits the string into an array of characters, each representing a digit. Finally, we use map and parseInt to convert these characters back into integers, resulting in the desired array. Let's analyze a few examples. For the input 123, the output is 1, 2, and 3. Each digit of the number is extracted and placed in the array. For 1230, the result is 1230. The trailing 0 is preserved as it's part of the number. For negative 456, the output is 456. The negative sign is ignored and only the digits are extracted. The ES6 version of the program uses modern JavaScript syntax, such as the spread operator and arrow functions. This version is more concise and demonstrates how JavaScript's latest features can simplify your code while maintaining clarity and functionality. In summary, this program efficiently converts a number into an array of digits using modern JavaScript techniques. By leveraging features like the spread operator and the map method, we achieved a solution that is both clear and elegant. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.